Hi, this is just a quick little video to show you some of the information you can find inside the Infinite Campus parent portal and how to navigate through it. The first thing you're going to do is log into Infinite Campus. You're going to use your username and your password that you set up when you follow the link that the school gave you. And if you're having trouble, please refer back to that document the school sent out to you. Once you are inside the campus portal, you will see a lot of things. You're going to see the messages that are just going to pop up. You'll have your inbox at the bottom down here. You'll also have this wonderful little notification setting. So you can set notifications for your students that if they're missing an assignment, they fell an assignment, anything like that, you will get a notification, either a text message if you set it up that way, or an email message sent to you saying that they, have not done well on an assignment or are missing an assignment. That will be the best way to keep up with your students' grades quickly that way. So you will go up to select a student, select one of your students. If you have multiple students, they'll all appear right here at the select a student. You can just select one. And from here, you can see the calendar, the schedule, the attendance, grades, behavior, all kinds of things come up on this page, the student portal page. The biggest thing is the contact preferences, making sure those are set. Your email address is correct. You have a secondary email. This is where, for each type of message you want to be sent, which email it needs to go to, and you also need to click Save to make sure you have all of that saved correctly. You can go to your student schedule and see what classes that they're enrolled in and the teachers' names for those classes. And then if you go to the grades on the menu side for each student, you can pull up the grades. The yellow means that they're in progress, and the green means that they've posted. These are the final grades. So you can see semester average. You can see that the fourth quarter is in progress, and the grade that they have for that. You can also click on the grades and see, like if you click on the individual classes right here, then the grades that each individual assignment and the grades for those assignments will come up. So you can easily check and see what assignments they did well on and what assignments they maybe needed some more work with. If you go down to the reports at the side, that is where you can print your current progress report, your report card. So if you're wanting to take a progress report to, your child's after school activities or anything like that, this is where you can do that. And it's very easily done to do the report card or the progress report or anything, missing assignments, stuff like that. Then at the very bottom, you have this SLDS portal, and this is a pretty interesting, it has some great information in here. If your student is once you click on the SLDS link, it takes you to this page. And if your student has already taken the Georgia Milestones, you can click on Performance, and it will give you the student reports for all of the years that they've taken those EOGs, and you can download those reports and just look at that. Those reports really give you a wealth of information, like Lexile levels they're working on and things like that. So any year that they've actually taken the Georgia Milestones report will show up in SLDS under that Performance tab. So here you can see that these are the downloadable reports. This is where you will download the Georgia Milestones reports for your students. Then if you click on Resources, this is a pretty cool area too. Resources will take you to this page. My second grader, I just happened to pull up her ELA class. So it will give you a list of standards for second grade in language arts. And you can see it has like penmanship, reading, spelling, writing. You can click on all of these to get the standards for that subject in language arts or whatever, in third grade, whatever subject and grade level your student is working on. You can click on the standard, and over here will show up some resources that could possibly help you and your student if they're having trouble with a specific standard that they're learning in class, or they have done a MIC graded assignment. The resources will help you find some things that can help them. And then we have testing. Sometimes we don't do it very often now since we have USA Test Prep, but we do have a section in testing called Go Far. And Go Far is a state-run testing system that we can use with students. If your teacher wants you to do a Go Far test, that she will give you instructions on how to get to Go Far again, and she will give you a passcode because you have to have a passcode for the test. So you'll enter that test here, but usually we only use USA Test Prep for MIC graded assignments now since we have that. But if they do happen to ask for a Go Far test, this is how you get into it, just in that SLDS resources. So that was how to get into the campus portal, the parent portal for Infinite Campus, and some resources that you can use to help your student. I hope you found this helpful. If you have any questions, please contact your homeroom teacher.